Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Perfectly Imperfect. My name is Vinny and today's video is going to be about how I click flat lays. So I am really fond of flat lays. I have been clicking flat lays for a really long time, even before I started my channel, and I just love taking flat lays. They are my personal favorite. So I thought, why not share some tips with you guys. Whatever I have learned, I'll be sharing it with you. So let's just start with the video.
Tip number 1. Always click your flat lays in the daylight. This is the spot in my house where I click all of my flat lays right in front of this window. You can find a spot like this in your house from where the light comes in because you get the best flat lays in the natural light. Tip number 2. Choose the background of your flat lay on the basis of the main subject. In my case, this is my main subject. As you can see, I made yellow Polaroid camera, so this time I'll be going with the yellow theme. Therefore, I decided to use white chart paper, which is just in contrast of the yellow color. It will make my yellow color theme stand out, and this is how I choose the background color of my flat lays. Background color plays a very important role in a flat lay, so make sure you use this tip. You can use different types of chart papers like yellow, orange, or any color you like. You can use different types of fabrics, bed sheets, or even this table will work as a background. Now let me show you the things that I am using for today's flat lay. Remember, the theme is yellow, so I'll be using this yellow fake flowers which I found in my house. A notebook which is yellow in color. The next item is going to be a yellow brush pen. After that, the another item is going to be something on which the smiley is drawn, so I'll be using only the smiley part. Next item is a yellow nail paint, of course, and I also painted my toes yellow to match with the theme. Another item is going to be a golden earrings. This is not yellow, but it will work. This is the last item. Luckily, I have these yellow sleepers. Now these are all the things that I am going to use. Before that, let me give you a quick tip. Tip number 3. Always use square grid slash frames. Now by that I mean open your camera. After that, go to frames and change it to the square one. Now this will help you to remove the unnecessary things that you don't want to show in your flat lay. Coming to the flat lay, this is where I am going to click today's flat lay. That's why I laid down this chart paper on my balcony. Let's start by placing around things. As I told you, this is going to be my main theme of the flat lay. Therefore, I'll put it at the center of the background. After placing it, you can start placing around all other things around the main subject in a random order. You can absolutely include anything in your flat lay. There is no hard and fast rule to include only specific things. Although you can make your flat lay look aesthetic by adding some flowers, leaves, or you can also give it a personal touch by adding something like earrings, bangles, pendant, etc. to make it look beautiful and pleasing. I left some space below the main subject so that I can step into it wearing yellow slippers. This is how it looks. Now you can play with the things around the main subject until you are satisfied with your setup. After deciding your setup, the one last step is to hold your camera from above and fill your square frame. Bring your camera closer to the setup, filling your square frame and removing the unnecessary things. Now you are ready to click your flat lay. Here's how my flat lay look. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, I will leave the link of my page in the description box below, so please go and check out my page, and see you soon. Bye.